Pretty simple. We put, now don't forget, the bottom of this guide, as it sits right here, is what I'm measuring from. So I'm going to come from the last one I put in. I've actually done this from the very start. That way I can get all four in the same increments and go on the same side too. So therefore, they're all equal, or they're all level going left to right. I will say this, I do like to put a little bit of a tilt back into the cabinet. So just a slight offset on my level as I lay it across from front to back here. I like to see my bubble just hugging the outside line, which means that I'm tilted back just a little bit. I don't know that you have to do that. It's just I always have, and it's just something I do. So anyway, once again, measuring up, from the bottom of the last rung, 10 1/4 inches. We'll put our plastic keepers in. Remember, this top of the triangle up. They just snap in. We'll take, now there is a left and a right to these guides. It's a little bit of shifting around here. You can figure out which one goes where. Okay, so this one is our left. We'll get our drill motors and stuff handy. We'll stick this back. What it is this little groove right here slides into that plastic keeper. It's just a little groove back there it slides right into. And that's it. Once again, we're going to hold this to our mark and cut. Hold on here, I got to do something. So once again, there's a left and a right. Left side is going to look just like this with this keeper hook on top. Our rail back here is going to slide into our plastic clip, and then this will mount to the side of our cabinet. We'll slide that in. Hold this to our 10 1/4 inch line. We'll go ahead and put a hole in here. Get that screw started. When we put these in, just don't go crazy with them. Just, that's it. One good hammer, that's enough. I will say, you can get these guys left and right. They'll sit up there on the wrong side. And what'll happen is you'll end up being upside down and out of level. You'll know something's wrong right off the bat. So it's important to know the clip goes up. The little hook goes up. The mounting surface goes to the cabinet on this side for our right hand rail. So we'll go ahead and get this up here real quick. And there we go. Hold it to our mark. We'll get us a pilot hole here. Use a small enough bit. I use 1/8 inch or smaller on my pilot bit. You don't want it too big or else the screw will strip out. So, okay, so rails are in. I pull them out just a little bit just so I can get them started a little bit better. Once again, your keeper clips here will be out towards the outboard side, front of the cabinet. Just will set them on there. You hear them click, and there we have it. And that gets our utility cabinet drawers installed and ready for use. Once again, thanks for listening. If you ever need a set of cabinets, need advice about a set of cabinets, if you'd like to purchase some Waypoint cabinets, give us a call. You can find us on the internet. If you don't know our number, it's 316-260-5883. Once again, this is John with Winter Roofing and Remodeling. Have a good day.